The Texas Chain Saw Massacre. This movie is considered one of the scariest films ever made. But the real horror did not happen on screen. It happened behind the scenes. The Texas Chain Saw Massacre was inspired by real events. Leatherface was partially based on a real killer, Ed Gein. He made masks and furniture from human skin. This is not a legend. The filming conditions were brutal. The movie was shot during summer in Texas. Temperatures reached over 40 degrees Celsius. No air conditioning. Actors fainted from the heat. The smell on set was unbearable. Real animal bones and rotting meat were used. Because fake props did not look realistic enough, after days of filming, people felt sick. The actress playing Sally did not fake her fear. Marilyn Burns was pushed to real hysteria. Endless takes, screaming, pain. Her tears were real.